Don't be limited with what you don't have. Always try and do something good with what you have. Don't let Ringlight be your limit. Hi guys, my name is Vera, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how you can set up your YouTube lighting with just your touchlight. I'm going to make it very easy, very classy, and very simple. Alright, so keep watching to the end of the video. So you guys might probably think that I'm using a ring light right now to film this video, but you lie. Yeah, you lie. If that's the correct English, but no, I'm not using a ring light. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to use your touch light. I repeat, touch light to film your video at night. So guys, it's currently 12:53 a.m. Yeah, that's the life of a student. So basically I was reading and I was like, why am I not filming my YouTube videos? Why am I occupying myself with studying? Like, I was limiting myself. I'll go to school by 8 a.m. No, before 8 a.m. rather. Then I come back by 4 p.m. and I don't have time again 4 times in a week, and the remaining of the days I use it to study. And I'm like, and at night I can't study. And I'm like, why can't I use my touchlight? Like, I must not buy a ring light before I'm able to be consistent on YouTube, before I'm able to do my things on YouTube. And you too that is watching my love, you must not buy a ring light too before you start your YouTube channel. I'm just going to walk you through my setup now, right now. Like, it's very hilarious, yo. And coupled with there is light, I think it's helping to make everything brighter. And I'll also show you how it's going to be if I off the light, my room light, and let me see the power of this touch light. So if you are someone that is struggling to film videos during the day and at night you have your peace, your comfort, your everything, just watch this video. See how I set up my YouTube studio. This is not a studio, but see how I set up my stuff and then emulate my styles, okay? But before we get into this video, you guys, I have two things to tell you all. The first thing is for you to subscribe, like, and share my videos so that YouTube will do its thing. So if one of my videos will go viral, even if it's this one. And the second thing, you guys know that I've been monetized. After being demonetized for how many? 3 months, yeah. So I've been monetized. So anyhow, anytime you see an AD pop up in my video, please do not skip, okay? Your girl has to make money from YouTube, okay? So do not skip my videos, watch my videos, I am begging, don't mind my attitude, okay? So let's get right into the video. So guys, this is the amazing setup I have right now. Please pardon anything that is in the background. I have my tripod, which is on this table, and I have my powerful touchlight, and also have my mirror that I use to check myself and see if I'm in from the frame or if I'm in the frame. So the touchlight, this touchlight just was like 3,000 naira. Are you all seeing? Just on it 2 times and you have a very bright room. So you guys should just see it on my face. Are you all seeing how bright this touchlight is? Sometimes I feel it's even brighter than ring light. What do you all think? It's not brighter than ring light. Okay, so let me off the room light and see what we have when we don't have light, but we just have the touchlight charged. Let's see what we have, okay? It's going to be darkness. Ta-da! Oh my god, there is darkness. Oh my god, I'm scared. Where's my touch? I was kind of scared right now. Okay. Oh my god, are you all seeing? Like, it's giving it a very nice look, very nice and bright look. Just that you have, or your viewers will be noticing the dark. Okay, hold on. The darkness of the room. How am I filming this? Okay, what do you think? I had to place the touchlight very well. I think you should always wear your glasses because the kind of light that is going through my eyes right now, if I'm not in my glasses, there will be something going on my eyes. But thank God for my glasses. So always ensure you wear your glasses. But what do you guys think? I'm just going to film another video with this setup right now. So make sure you like this video, give this video a thumbs up if you love it, and do your own. Don't be limited with what you don't have. Always try and do something good with what you have. So don't let Ringlight be your limit. Always try and film your videos without Ringlight. Who needs Ringlight? Like, of course I don't need it anymore. I was planning to buy it, but it was actually very expensive, but I'm not buying it no more. So thank you for watching. Bye.